Hey everyone, it's Happy Path Travel bringing you another video, and we are RVing and hiking in Glacier in this video. Maybe 2 or 3 videos. We are Rod and Andrea bringing you Happy Path Travel. We have taken a week off of work. We're both working professionals, but still a few years away from retirement. We'd like to do a lot more traveling full-time soon, but right now we can do it on weekends and vacations. So we've taken a week off and we've gone to Glacier. So we've traveled from Spokane, Washington we are in West Glacier, Montana right now, staying at a KOA, and it's kind of expensive, but it's close to the west gate of Glacier, so it's convenient. We'll be here for 3 days, and then we're going to move into the park and stay at Fish Creek campground for 3 nights as well. So we hope to get several hikes in, and we'll bring you some of those. Took us about 5 hours to get here today from Spokane, maybe a little more than 5 hours. We got here just fine, no issues. We're going to take it easy this evening, and then starting tomorrow we're going to head into the park. We might meet up with a nephew who lives in Kalispell, Montana, which is nearby. So hopefully we'll get to see them. That'll be Caleb and Morgan. Hope to see you guys. But other than that, we will be doing some hiking, and we're going to bring you some of the beautiful, gorgeous sights to be seen in Glacier. They are spectacular. So hopefully we'll pick a few really good hikes that can really show that off. We'd like to get up to Whitefish and check out a restaurant or something up there. That's a cool little town. We've been there a couple times. Yeah, there's a couple of really nice lodges. That's something that all of the U.S. national parks have. Most of them out here in the West have some very nice lodges. So we want to get to at least 1 or 2 of those. There's one on Lake McDonald, and then there's one up at Mini Glacier on the east side of Glacier, and that one's larger and it's very nice. So we might get up there, but we'll see how much we can squeeze in this week we have in Glacier.
Tonight we're gonna fire up the grill and grill some salmon.
Ooh, nice.
That is imminent. And some corn.
Let's do that. We love camping. We love our RV. We just like being out and doing something with our vacations besides sitting around home.
But this is actually our first KOA, so
it's our very first.
Give you an impression of what we think of a KOA.
It's an expensive one. On the website, it was a $5 sign. KOA. So it must be really good, but we just got here, so we'll find out.
And this is a premium patio spot.
Yeah. So we've got
it was the only spot left.
We've got a really nice table, and we've got our own barbecue grill, and
it's nice.
It's really neat. We'll get some B-roll of that.
Yeah. There's a beautiful mountain.
Oh, we're surrounded by beautiful mountains.
Man.
So we'll be driving into them in the morning and get some great hikes. So we're going to bring that to you.
This morning, or maybe ships out on the...
We are at Avalanche Lake, this morning, or the trail to Avalanche Lake this morning. Lots of high peaks around us, so we're gonna take off on an easy trail of the Cedars, go through there, and then up the trail to Avalanche Lake. Shouldn't take too long. It's only about 2.5 miles to get there. We got here at 7:30 and got one of the last parking spots. So think of that. You definitely want to get in here by 7:30.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the weather. Leave your worries and your suitcase, all you lonely, nothing but you. So don't throw your celebration, but your heart stays okay. Come and sail with me to the open ocean. We don't have to dream because they're true.
Wow, this has been a great hike so far. And we're already seeing our first wildlife sighting. Very exciting. It's like a kind of a young bear playing in the water. I hope we see a lot more of this in the next few days. Yeah, let's keep moving, and we will get up to the lake. Once we get there, the trail should keep going up to the top end of the lake, so we'll plan to do that. Let's keep moving.
Something good.
We made it up to Avalanche Lake here at Glacier. It is a beautiful spot. The hillsides are just towering above us. Waterfalls coming down it, feeding the lake. Beautiful hike, well worth the time and the 2.5 or so miles to hike up here. I'd do it again. I'll give this one, how many stars? I don't know. I'll give it some stars.
4.
4 stars. We're at the top end of Avalanche Lake here in Glacier. Very nice hike.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It was a nice hike, very easy, not too much elevation. But we'll turn around and head down and mess around at the campground today. What's around you, the peaks around you are just incredible. So,
3 waterfalls in one view. It's beautiful.
Photo bombers everywhere. We got it done. We're back down here at the bottom now into the Trail of the Cedars, which is the little wrap up or end of the trail. A lot of fun. We're gonna, not a challenging hike, but it was just a nice 700 and some feet of elevation. Just right. An easy day today. So we're done hiking for the day. Tomorrow, I think we might have a hard hike. We're gonna do Highline. So we might be bringing you a hike of Highline Trail tomorrow. But for now, we're gonna take a nice lunch break and we're gonna go look for the lodge.
Here's a cute little ice cream shop.
Moose tracks, I believe you ordered.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Think you're gonna get a tip?
20% customary.
Looking good.